Toyota of Portsmouth, the house of value.
Tacoma, built to lead the pack on a hard-charging weekend. When it's time to forge your own path and seek out tougher roads, do it in a Toyota Tacoma from Toyota of Portsmouth. High-strength steel is used in every 2018 Tacoma to deliver the toughness you expect. Tacoma comes standard with Toyota Safety Sense. Features like lane departure alert, auto high beams, pre-collision system, and dynamic radar cruise control. Added value includes ToyotaCare, a 2-year no-cost maintenance plan with roadside assistance. Check out these standard and available Tacoma features. Every Tacoma comes with the Star Safety System, advanced integrated safety technologies like vehicle stability control, traction control, anti-lock brake system, electronic brake force distribution, brake assist, and smart stop technology. Rugged, tough, and capable to handle the tough terrain. Toyota Tacoma. More value in every mile for you from Toyota of Portsmouth, the house of value.
Toyota of Portsmouth, the house of value. Visit us online at toyotaofportsmouth.com or on Route 1 in Portsmouth.